One thing I've had to get used to when working with bird dogs is training them with real birds. So we're gonna do some training with Bodhi today. First, we gotta get this guy out without him escaping. The bird. Doing great. You like it? You like it, Mama. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah, I know my hand smells like this. That's not what it's at. There, good puppy. Oh, don't let him get it. Good puppy, good puppy. Is that your bird? Is that your birdie?
Biggest dead
Great. Did some bird training earlier. Now we're going for some water training. This is theoretically, hopefully, the last adventure in the Jeep. Hopefully. He's turning.
Oh, okay. I didn't see ready, so I wasn't scared. I'm sorry.
Waited till I saw him slow down. Don't worry, I'm not going to kill us. Get in the back. So yeah, theoretically, this is the last adventure in the Jeep. Hopefully we will be bringing home a new four-wheel family member tomorrow. More on that later. So anyway, yep, we're heading out to the lake. We're going to do some water training. And hopefully he'll have as much fun with this as he did with the bird. Oh my god, he started crying when we got in the house. So I guess we did stop at a good time. Left him wanting more. And bird's ready for some more activity tomorrow. We'll keep up on the training and NA test probably this fall. Yeah. Somehow we lost our water training Cheetos, so we're here at the White Duck Market to pick up some Cheetos. Need to give some food motivation to the little boy. Cheetos float well and tend to work. The balls are better, but I don't feel like buying a whole bucket of balls right now. So we're gonna get regular Cheetos. I'll break them up, and yeah, we're almost to Duck Lake, so we will be training there, and hopefully we'll get him off his feet today. Like I said, I brought my waders, so if food's not a motivation, hopefully mama will be a motivation. So yeah, more on that soon. Yeah, you're swimming. Good job. You missed that. Good puppy. Here. Mama, come bring you one. Good job. Good job. Ah, silly, it's right there. Right there. Last one. Good job. Good daddy. Good So whether or not we have a swimmer's always been a struggle, and well, we're quitting while we're ahead. We didn't do a ton of swimming, but that's because he's shivering and cold, but he definitely swam several times, once even without treats, or a couple times without treats. He was swimming in circles around me. That one was pretty funny. But yeah, there's our boy. There's our little swimmer. Hi, little swimmer. And he's still happy and tails wagging. Whoa. Just so you can see my fashionable attire. All right, it's time for the big reveal. You kind of hinted at it already. We have a new member of the family, but this one has no fur and runs around on 4 wheels. So yeah, meet the new unnamed family member. Well, hopefully by weekend have a name. Here's the big news. I was kind of sick of my car payment, and it was a lease, so I was restricted on driving, and I just needed to get out of that and into something else. So here I sit waiting for Tom to get us lunch. I know, why would you want to eat lunch in a brand new vehicle? But we have Bodie in the back seat. We are sitting in a brand new 2021 Subaru Outback. Super sweet. I love it. Can't wait to do some driving this weekend and not worrying about miles. I'll do a walk around when we get home. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So super exciting. Again, most of my adventures coming up will be sitting here in an Outback instead of the Jeep. It is a little bittersweet. Tom and I both love the Jeep, and yeah, love the flexibility of off-roading, but we didn't go off-road as much as we should. Didn't have time to. B, he's going to be getting a 4-wheel drive vehicle that can haul our toys, so that Ida can have the less gas mileagey car. That's not a word, but whatever. It just doesn't make sense for both of us to be driving gas hogs. So I get to have the luxury off-road all-wheel drive vehicle that does still do some off-road and does as much as we normally do. We didn't use the Jeep to its full potential. Well, you kind of saw the inside. Here's a little bit of a walk around. It's our new 4-wheel child in the family. It is a very nice, very comfortable, and sufficiently loaded with all the fun stuff Outback. Bodie got the first trip with me and Daddy. He went to sign paperwork. And yeah, here we are. That's the new one. I'll do a little. All right, well, it's already got stuff in it and getting cluttered and dirty, but here she is. Should probably turn her on so you can see the spiffy dash and all that fun. It's just like, so you don't even have to touch it. I gotta figure that out, but it's here somewhere. It just opens by itself, of course. But again, you don't have to touch it. Love this material. It goes all the way up onto the seat, so if you put the seats down, if Bodie still continues to get car sick, it's easy to clean. That's fun times. spiffy dash shifter. Everything's beautiful. Wonderful. We're so excited. So yeah, that's our new ride. Looking forward to many, many, many trips with the kids. I see some garbage already. Now we'll take all this good stuff in the house. And yeah, go from there.